Today, we're gonna make some dino ribs. First things first, we need to remove all the silver skin so we can achieve ultimate bark during this cook. For these ribs, you do not remove the membrane. You're gonna pat dry, oil, season with your preferred seasonings. Make sure you fully cover these ribs. Now it's time to heat up our OKJ with some post oak for that real Texas beef flavor. For this specific cook, we are not going to wrap these beef ribs. You're gonna let them ride at 275 for the first 4 hours. Since we are not wrapping and want to achieve ultimate color, we will tend to the bark and moisten it as needed. Total cook time at this temp can range anywhere from 10 to 12 hours, so plan ahead. I recommend letting them cool just like a brisket. Make sure they rest properly so it does not shock the meat. Now here's the fun part. Not only are they fun to look at, but they're so delicious and moist. And look at that smoke ring. Alright, till next time guys, enjoy.